I left the engine hood opened over the night, with no air filter installed. The snow reached exactly in the gasoline intake of the injection. Do you think the engine will start? Wait for till the end of the video to find out. Coolant temp is minus 4.5 degrees, and the battery is almost dead. It started, but then it stopped. Do you think it's due to the water?
And there you go. It's working just like new. So, as you can see, the snow is still there, but at least the engine is running. You know, 5 minutes later.
Drop a comment if you think what I did is stupid.